Wow.
I got lights in my eyes. Where are you guys? Okay, sisters, say salam alaikum.
Salam.
Okay, that's good enough. We heard that.
Salam.
Do we have 4 sisters?
Yes.
Anybody want to make it 5?
And from different nationality.
Okay.
But can we call some others as well?
I'm from India.
From
Yeah.
Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Oh, God. We love you, India.
Yay for India.
Sri Lanka.
All right. Now, do we have any more sisters who want to join them and become in the balance like we spoke about, with the rights, with the limits, worshiping one God without partners? If you do right now, you need to stand up where you are. It's okay, you don't have to join them over there, but stand up so the sisters around you can see you. Stand up, ladies, and make your Shahada along with us.
So, sisters, I'm going to say the Shahada in English, or the declaration. What happened? Oh,
Excuse me.
yes?
We have one more here.
Allahu Akbar! Did you say 1 or 100? Oh, sorry.
One?
And she's also from India.
Allahu Akbar, we love you, India. Allahu Akbar. So if we continue this conversation, then maybe everyone will take Shahada like they did in Holland with you. Or is it Germany?
Germany.
Germany, I remember that Shahada.
1,250, but who's counting?
1,250 Shahadas.
1,250 same time.
I am also from India.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
Hey, keep playing with the camera. Okay, tell them.
Okay, so we've reached 5 sisters that wish to enter the fold of Islam. Alhamdulillah.
There are totally 6.
6.
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar! Witr. We need witr.
What?
Subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is opening the hearts of the people to this beautiful religion, Sheikh. Do you remember, how long have you been a Muslim, by the way, Sheikh?
1991,
1991, July. That makes you 9 plus 14. You're only 23 years old. Look, Sheikh, you look so old for a 23. I'm only joking. 23. Well, I'm actually 22.
You're 22?
Yeah, I'm 22.
Congratulations. Happy birthday.
Alhamdulillah. Almost the same age, Sheikh.
Really?
Yeah, that's why they keep calling me Yousuf Estes all the time.
They call you that?
Yeah, they call me. And then they say, are you his son, though? Okay.
Right, let's do it.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah.
Wait, let's see.
Oh,
Anybody else?
who's next?
I like
MashaAllah.
that. Who's next? Okay. Tell them what it is. Shahada la ilaha illallah. What does it mean?
Okay. The declaration of faith, my sisters in Islam, to be, inshallah, is that you testify that there's only one God. So you're going to say after me in unison, right? Say after me. Repeat after me. I testify.
I testify.
There's only one God
There is only one God
worthy of worship.
worthy of worship.
And this is Allah. And I testify
And I testify
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his final messenger.
is his final messenger.
MashaAllah. Now, Sheikh.
Let's see if I can mess up the Arabic.
No,
Ready?
mess up the English.
Okay, I'm going to try to mess up the Arabic on this. Here we go. Now, this is the Arabic meaning what you just said in English. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
La
Allah
Allah
la
La
sharika la
sharika la
wa
Wa
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
anna Muhammad
anna Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Wow,
I think
that's
we-
amazing, Sheikh.
Yeah.
It's
We're
really
not done
amazing.
though, are we?
No, because there's probably another 7 sisters that are really ready to
What
take
about the
Shahada.
brother?
Oh, the brothers. Oh, subhanallah.